Hello family, how are you all doing? It's been a while I posted a video. Don't mind me, work has been taking a lot of my time lately, and the power supply is also a contributory factor to this long silence. However, it is the holiday period. Trust you are excited as much as I am. Yes, guys, if you're looking for a simple but amazing snacks for this period, then you have to try out this simple scone recipe and thank me later. So to start with, let's get into the video with our ingredients. You need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You must have sifted it, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, a pinch of salt. Then you stir everything together. Don't forget to add half teaspoon of baking powder as well. So the next thing you are going to add is your 2 tablespoons of margarine. You can make use of butter as well. So immediately you add your margarine. The next thing you are going to do is to dig into it and make sure you mix everything thoroughly. And once you have the texture that is looking like you're mixing for chin or you're mixing or for meat pie, then that is it, guys. You can see it is looking like golden brown already. So once you have this texture, the next thing you're going to do is to crack in 1 piece of egg. So if you want to go extra, then you can just in a separate bowl add 1 egg and some evaporated milk, but I'm making use of just 1 egg, so I'm going to mix everything together. You don't need water. Take note, no water is added to this recipe. Then once you are done mixing it, the next thing you are going to do is to place it on your work surface and flatten it. It doesn't have to be flattened like you are making chin chin. Just flatten it a little bit and you are good to go. So once you are done doing that, if you have your toppings at this point, you can add it to read generally before you start cutting the shapes out. And at the same time, you can decide to just add it on each one after you have cut it out. So, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So once you are able to cut it out that way, the remaining part is what you are going to still mold together and still cut it out into any desired shape of yours. But if you don't have any cutter to cut it, you can just make use of your knife. All you have to do is just trim the edges and make sure you have a very nice shape. Then you use your knife to cut it into either rectangle or square, and voila, that's just all you need. So concerning the toppings, you can make use of raisin, coconut flake, any nuts that you have, almond, and you can either egg wash or milk wash. So I am going to be milk washing this because I intend to use just 1 egg. So you can be like me. So once everything is cut like this, so I'm going to be topping mine with some raisin. Guys, you can use different fruits, you can use nuts, but I'm using just raisin. So I'm going to add few raisins onto each one. So if you enjoyed this video to this moment, kindly give it a like and don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do that. But if you have done that, let me know if you are going to be trying it, and when you try it, come back and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Legacy Life Kitchen. And right now I'm fully back with full force, and you are going to be getting videos from back to back. I'm making arrangement for that already. So once everything is washed, you are going to place it in your preheated oven and bake it for a period of 20 to 25 minutes on medium to low heat. And voila, our scone is ready. Look at how mushy it is. It looks inside. It is not dry, and that is the effect that you want. Let me know if you are going to be trying this once again. Thank you so much if you stay till this moment. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.